I've been using this new iconic viral hair oil for quite some time now, and my hair has never felt so soft and healthy. The brand is Kerastars, and the main ingredient is argan oil, which is so good for your hair. It protects up to 230 degrees of heat, but I've also been using it because I don't like straightening my hair. I feel like when you blow dry products into your hair, it just really infuses it into the cuticle. My hair would usually be so frizzy just blow drying it like this, but you can see how sleek it already looks. I do go back in again then with the oil and just take 2 pumps, warm it up in my hand, and then I just run it like all through the ends of my hair. This just stops any sort of flyaways. You can see how I'm putting it through my hair, and it just does not leave that greasy finish. It makes my hair feel so soft, so weighted. And then with the excess then, I just take it right on my roots, because like I said, it doesn't give you a greasy finish, and I just get away all of those little flyaways. Gives you that really lovely sleek finish without having to straighten or damage your hair further with any heat. The most common reason for your hair snapping is people straightening their hair when it's really frizzy, when you could actually just blow dry it with a serum once and then it'll stay sleek and straight for days. It's good for all hair types as well, so even if you've got like curly hair and you feel like your hair's going really frizzy, you could just pop this in. Loads of people using it on curly hair and it works so well. I will tag it in the video if you want to try it. This oil is 25% off for Black Friday on TikTok shop, so grab it while you can.